express. If you don't believe me, just go by the book. You'll be amazed when you read about Captain Cook. See the way he disposes of his enemies. His looks are cold, they almost make you freeze. Take the style, he does it all with a smile. All the girls are watching, they're out of their mind. Like an express. If you don't believe me, just go by the book. You'll be